Fact number 1. Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? Sunlight looks white, but it is actually made of many colors. When sunlight enters the atmosphere, the blue light scatters more than the other colors. That's why we see a blue sky most of the time. But here's the interesting part. The exact colors of sunrise and sunset are still a mystery. Scientists know it depends on air particles and light, but they can't fully predict the beautiful shades we see. Even something as everyday as the sky still hides secrets. Fact number 2. Have you ever wondered why we sleep? Scientists know that sleep helps our body rest, repair itself, and process memories. But here's the mystery. No one really knows why every living creature needs to sleep. Even jellyfish and worms sleep. Sleep makes us vulnerable, yet evolution never removed it. Some researchers think it's like a biological reset, cleaning out toxins from the brain. But the true reason we sleep is still unknown. Sleep remains one of nature's greatest mysteries. Fact number 3. The brain is the most powerful and mysterious part of our body. It controls every thought, feeling, and movement, yet scientists still don't fully understand how it really works. Our brain has billions of neurons sending electric signals every second. But here's the mystery. How do these electrical signals create thoughts, emotions, and consciousness? What makes you aware that you exist? Even with all our technology, science still can't explain how the brain creates the mind. The human brain truly remains one of the greatest mysteries of all time. Fact number 4. FACT nitrogen monoxide. For deep below our feet lies a world we can't see, the Earth's core. Scientists believe the temperature there reaches around 6,000 degrees Celsius. That's actually hotter than the surface of the sun. This heat comes from the planet's formation and the decay of radioactive elements inside. The outer core is made of molten iron and nickel, constantly moving and creating Earth's magnetic field. Even with all our technology, no one has ever reached the core. It's over 6,000 kilometers deep. Everything we know about it comes from seismic waves and computer models. The Earth's core remains a fiery, mysterious heart that keeps our planet alive. Fact number 5. Did you know that water can actually boil and freeze at the same time? It sounds impossible, but it's real, and it happens under something called the triple point. The triple point is a special condition where temperature and pressure are perfectly balanced. At this point, water can exist in all 3 states, solid, liquid, and gas, all at once. Scientists can create this in a lab by carefully controlling pressure and temperature. You might see ice, liquid water, and steam all together in the same container. It's a perfect example of how strange and amazing science can be. Even something as simple as water still hides incredible secrets. Fact number 6. It might sound strange, but plants can actually communicate with each other. They don't talk like humans, but they send signals through the air and the soil. When a plant is attacked by insects, it releases special chemicals into the air, almost like a warning message. Nearby plants sense these signals and prepare their own defenses. Some plants even use their roots and fungi networks underground to share nutrients or send distress signals. Scientists call this the Wood Wide Web. It's like an invisible internet beneath our feet, where trees and plants share information to protect and support each other. Nature is truly more connected than we ever imagined. Fact number 7. Far away in space, there's a planet that scientists believe is made almost entirely of diamond. This planet is called 55 Cancri, and it's about 40 light years away from Earth. It's twice the size of our planet and orbits a star similar to our sun. The reason scientists think it's made of diamond is because it has a lot of carbon and faces extreme pressure and heat, the same conditions that create diamonds on Earth. Imagine an entire world covered in sparkling diamond mountains and shining crystal plains. It's beautiful, but also dangerous. The surface can reach temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Celsius. So yes, somewhere in our galaxy, there really might be a planet of diamonds, proving how strange and wonderful our universe can be. Fact number 8. Yes, you heard that right. Somewhere in the universe, there's a giant cloud that rains alcohol. Scientists have discovered a massive gas cloud called Sagittarius B2, floating near the center of our Milky Way galaxy. This cloud is huge. It's over 1,000 times bigger than our solar system, and it contains billions of liters of ethyl alcohol, the same kind found in beer and wine. But don't start packing your space glass just yet. This alcohol cloud isn't drinkable. It's mixed with toxic gases like carbon monoxide and ammonia. Still, it's amazing to think that space, which we often imagine as empty, can contain organic molecules that are key to life. It's another reminder that our universe is full of surprises, even the kind that sound like science fiction. Fact number 9. All know about the oceans on Earth's surface, but did you know there's a massive ocean hidden deep underground? Scientists have discovered that far below the Earth's crust, about 700 kilometers down, there's a layer of rock called the mantle transition zone. Inside this zone, a mineral called ringwoodite traps huge amounts of water molecules. In fact, there may be 3 times more water beneath the surface than in all of Earth's oceans combined. This water isn't like liquid waves, it's locked inside the rocks in crystal form, like a giant sponge holding Earth's hidden ocean. This underground water might even play a role in volcanoes, earthquakes, and how continents move. So next time you look at the ocean, remember, there's another one deep below your feet, silently shaping our planet from within. Fact number 10. It may sound unbelievable, but time actually moves slower on Earth's mountains and faster at sea level. This strange effect is caused by something called Einstein's theory of general relativity. It says that gravity can bend space and time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. At sea level, gravity is slightly stronger because you're closer to Earth's center, but on top of a mountain, gravity is weaker, so time moves just a little bit faster. The difference is very tiny, just a few billionths of a second, but scientists can measure it using atomic clocks. So, if you lived your whole life at the top of Mount Everest, you'd technically be a few microseconds older than someone living at the beach. It's proof that even on our own planet, time isn't the same everywhere.